Sunbelt Reynolds bucket shoots a bull with a bad attitude. That's Domino Effect. Alright, Red's trying to go to it. There's AJ trying to make a pass. He's trying to get the attention of Domino Effect. AJ gets a little close right there. They're going to try to take him to Ryder in the barrel. Alright, AJ's got his attention. It's a little barrel work tonight. They're trying to keep his attention. They're going to stand Ryder up. I think I know what AJ is about to do. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but he's called for Red to get the Bulls' attention. All right, Domino Effect, they're down there. They want to play. All right, they got him. AJ's on the barrel. Oh, Domino Effect says, I've seen this game before. They're looking for a fight tonight. Here comes the veteran of the Army to take the fight to Domino Effect. Yep. Uh-oh, don't show off too much. How about a hand to your Hurricane Fence bullfighters tonight? AJ Neal and Red Nielsen. And your man in the can, and Mr. Ryder Kisner. So 76 is going to win the bull riding with Isaiah Ortiz. J.C. Mortensen is going to win second to this year. He's the #1 bull rider in the California circuit standings. So a nice job for and a little extra contact. We'll make sure our photographer is all right with the imagery. Pickup men have the bull secure. They're going to head to the Nuevo Grill and Cantina Gate. Folks, I don't want you to move a muscle. You guys have been such a great audience tonight, and I think you're going to love the way that we close out for Ramona Rodeo tonight. So just hang with us as we get the gate.